Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I am going to show you guys a very good strategy. This is actually a strategy I've been testing too, and it has been working quite alright for me. As you guys can see, this is step index, and I am on a buy trade. Currently I entered the trade here. And it's playing out fine. So I am going to give you guys a detailed explanation on how this strategy works, and also um, the settings for the strategy. So if this is your first time on the channel, that means if you are a new visitor on this channel, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, because what I do here is I drop profitable and winning forex trading strategies on this channel. So if that is of interest to you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and if you are a returning subscriber, you are highly welcome back. So as usual, I'm going to give you guys the settings like I said earlier and how this strategy works. I'm going to give you a detailed explanation on everything. But before that, I left a link to my Telegram channel down there in the description of this video. So I drop not just forex trading strategies but other methods for making money online too, like all these airdrops and all that. So I drop them on my channel and on my Telegram channel. That is what I meant. So if that is also of interest to you, the link is down there in the description of this video, and also in the pinned comment in the comment section of this video. So use either of the links and join the Telegram channel. You won't regret it. So without further ado, let's get started straight away. So this strategy is basically used for trading step index. You shouldn't use this strategy on volatility 75 or volatility 100 or volatility 50 or 25 or volatility 10. Please don't use it on this volatility indices. And also, you shouldn't use it on boom and crash. Either boom 300 or crash 300, or any of the boom and crashes, boom 1000, crash 1000. Please don't do that. Use it on step index only. And also, it depends on the kind of trader you are. You can use this strategy to scalp, you can use it for intraday trading, and you can also use it for intraday trading. You can also use it for swing trading. It all depends on the kind of trader you are. But I know most of you all are majorly scalpers and uh, in, uh, intraday traders. So it's good. You can just do your analysis on the 1 hour or 4 hours and just look for entries on your 5 minutes or 15 minutes or even 1 minute, for those of you guys that like snapper entries very well. So but I usually prefer using the 1 hour time frame for my analysis and my 15 minutes time frame for my entries. 5 minutes time frame for my entries, and sometimes I use the 4 hours for my analysis, then use the 15 minutes for my entry. So depending on the kind of trader you are, it's all good. So how does the strategy works? This is how the strategy works. The strategy basically works like this. You see, we have three types of indicators on this strategy. We have some some lines on our main chart, which is the alligator, and then we have two RSI. The first one is in color red, and then the other one, the one below it, is in color brown. So basically, the first thing you need to know about this strategy is that whenever you see your both of your RSI, the one up and then the one bottom, they basically have two levels. The one up here, the one in color red, has level 10 and level 90. The one below has level 20 and level 80. So level 20 and level 10 are the oversold region, and then level 80 and level 90 are the overbought region. So the moment you see your moving averages approaching the 20 or the 10 level, like this, as in this case, let me show you guys something like this. The moment you see your moving averages here coming to the 90 level, coming to the 10 or 20 level, and then your alligator here on the main chart below the price action, meaning this this kind of intersection between the color green, color blue, and color brown moving lines of the alligator, just know that you should enter for a buy. That is just a buy signal. Just enter for a buy. As you guys can see, just like in this case, my the moving average here in color brown, sorry, the RSI here on color brown in color brown was at the 20 level. That is my first confluence. The second confluence was that the second RSI, which is in color red, was in level 10. That is my second confluence. And then the third one, which is the final one, is that my alligator was now below my price action. So that is just a buy signal. So I entered for the buy. Sorry, I entered for the buy, and this is how we are rolling currently in the market. This is over $400, guys. This is step index 0.5 lot size, and I opened more than 4 positions. I opened 5 positions in this trade, and this is over $400, guys. So this strategy actually works. It works. So let's do a little bit of back testing. Let me show you guys a similar instance. So the same thing happened here. This is another buy signal. Our first RSI here is at below the level 20. That is the first confluence, or at the level 20. The second one is at level 10. That is the second confluence. And then the last one here is that price action immediately came under, sorry, the alligator came under price action. So immediately that happened, you enter for a buy. And if you had entered for this buy, you would have you would have you would have gotten how many pips just from this place? Let me count and see. Over 50, over 70 pips, over 70 pips, guys, over 70 pips, over 70 pips, over 70 pips, over 70 pips. You would have been in massive profit. Massive profit, guys. Massive profit. You see another instance here, guys. Another instance here is for also for a buy. The first RSI was here at level 20. The second one was at level 10, and immediately price action came and, you know, broke and started going above the alligator. You enter for a buy, and you take your sweet profit. You take your sweet profit. A lot of you guys do ask me, where should I place my stop loss? Where should I place my stop loss? Guys, please don't ask me where you should place your stop loss. I don't know your account size. I don't know how much is in your account. So you know best the amount you can risk per trade. So I believe that is your own cup of tea. Please don't ask me where should I put my stop loss. You are a trader, you know what stop loss is, you know what take profit is. If you don't, if if you are a greedy person, then your take profit is, I don't know. I don't know. That is another thing entirely. Make sure make sure you always risk a certain amount you know you can lose per trade on your account, depending on your account size. You can't have a $10 account and then risk $5 per trade. That is very risky. At least risk $2 per trade and then aim for $6. That is 1 to 3 risk to reward. So please don't ask me where should I place my stop loss. As for a take profit, that one I can give you an insight. Whenever you are trading and then the trading is going along with the direction you predicted, your level 80 for a buy and level 90 for a buy is your take profit. If it's a sell trade, that means you entered from up here. Your level 10 is your take profit, or level 20 is your take profit. So that is the least I can do for you. But don't you see, as in, just like in this case, 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 your your first RSI was here at level 80, the second one was at level 90. That is your second confluence. And then this alligator crossed here, and then price action started forming below the alligator. Then you enter for a sell, and if had it been you had entered the trade and rode it all the way down, you entered here, for example, you would have gotten how many pips here on this trade? About 45 pips. About 45. So guys, this strategy is a very clean one and very profitable one. You see, guys, this is another instance here. This is another instance. This is another instance. Your first RSI was at level 20, the other one was at level 10, and then price actions alligator crossed here, and then price action started forming here above your alligator. So you ride all the way up here, and this was probably going to be your take profit. and then that is it. You've made your money. You've made your money. This was the start of the trade. You enter. Let's say you entered here and then you rode all the way up. So that's like 30 pips, over 30 pips. That's about close to 40 pips. So guys, this strategy works. If we are going to continue like this, you see this is another sell instance. This is another sell instance. Your price action, your first RSI was at 80 level, the second one was at 90 level, and then price action started, it crossed down and then started forming below your alligator here. So you entered here and then you ride all the way down here and you make your profit. So guys, this is the 15 minutes time frame. You're going to make a lot of money. You're going to make a lot of money. So let's say for example you enter the trade here. You see this is over 40 pips, about 48 pips. So guys, this is a very profitable strategy. You can use it to buy and you can use it to sell. So let me show you guys the indicators for this strategy. So you click on, tap anywhere on your screen and click on this. So the first indicator is, sorry, let me show you guys something. A lot of you guys used to ask me where how can I put indicators. So this is where you click. This is where you click. This arrow you see up here, this particular thing I'm pointing at, that is where you click. This thing, that is where you click. So you click on it, and then on your main chart you have the alligator. So the jaws period is 13, the jaws shift is 8, the teeth period is 8, the teeth shift is 5, lips period is 5, and then lips shift is 3. Then the method is muted, and then the apply to is medium price HL over 2. Then for the jaw style, you give it any color of your choice and choose 3 pixel as the thickness, and then you click on save. So that is for the main chart. So on your indicator window 1, which is the RSI up there, this RSI, this one in color red, this RSI in color red. So I'm giving you guys the settings now. So you click on this, and then this is the settings for the RSI. Period is 1, apply to is close. Then for the styling, please, this styling, make sure it's white, because if you are using a white background, make sure it's white. But if your phone background or theme is black, please use color black. So after that you click on, so for the levels, we have the level 19 and level 10. I'm sure you guys understand that. So you click on save. So under indicator window 1, again, please click on this F icon here, and then after clicking that, then you look for moving average, sorry. Then you give it the settings. Period is 10, shift is 0, method is linear weight, and then apply to is close. Then for the styling, give it 3 pixels for the thickness and use any color of your choice. So you click on save. And then lastly, the second RSI, you have which is the indicator window 2. Please just come here and just come back to this main chart. That is where you should click in order to put the indicator window 2. Click on the F icon here on the main chart. So if you click on it, it's going to show you a window for the indicators. So you look for relative strength index, RSI, and give it period 1, 2. Then for the styling, you give it 3 pixels, but on white background too, just like I explained earlier. If your background is color black, please give it black background, color black. Sorry, if your phone is on black background, please give it color black. So then for the levels, give it level 80 and level 20. Use any color of your choice for the styling and give it 3 pixels. So after doing that, you click on save, and then after doing that, this is going to appear. This thing is going to appear under your indicator window too. So you click on it, and then search for Ichimoku Kinko. So after looking for Ichimoku, then give it these settings. Tenkan Sen is 9, Kijun Sen is 9, and then Senko Span B is 9. So don't click on this field, please leave it like that. This thing, don't click on it, don't tick it, just leave it empty like this. And then the Tenkan Sen is 3 pixels, Kijun Sen is 3 pixels. These are the only two ones, these are the only two styling you give any color of your choice. But the other ones, these other 3, up Kumo, down Kumo, and Chiku Span, please give it color white based on the background of your phone. If your phone is on white background, leave it at color white. If it's on black background, leave it at color black. So after doing that, you click on save. So, and this is what you should have. So for the, let me see my trade. Okay, it's still going up. So for the um for the zoom level, please, zoom level 2, not zoom level 3, zoom level 2. Give it zoom level 2. So that is what I have for you guys today. Thank you guys for watching this video, and make sure you join the Telegram group. I drop updates not just on forex winning forex trading strategies, but also other forex trading strategies too, and other ways to make money online, like airdrops, crypto airdrops. I'm sure you guys have heard of dogs and all that. So I drop updates about that too. So please click the link in my description and join the channel. So yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. Peace, guys.